how to change picture in shape. First, right click, fill, picture, select any picture. Okay, it's already changed. We'll try another example. Right click, fill, picture, select any picture. Okay, this other example. We drag picture into the PowerPoint, click on the shape, open format shape panel, go to fill and line, fill, picture and texture fill, select the picture, right click copy and click the shape, insert picture from clipboard. Okay, but the composition is not nice, so we try to crop picture, so the composition will be uh, nice. Okay, we crop the picture. Okay, same like before. Right click, copy the picture, click on the shape, we insert picture from clipboard. Okay.